So I'm going to start off with the demo from the slide switch, but we're going to make this slide switch have two different modes. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to delete the purple wire, delete the red wire, and delete the black wire. We're now going to run a power wire to the center pin of the switch. So now power is coming in the center pin. It's going to come out either side. So we need to run a resistor to ground on both sides to create a pull down. And we're going to run a wire from above the resistor down to two separate pins on our Arduino. So I'm going to go there. I'll make this wire yellow. And I'll make the second wire come down. And we're going to go to pin 2. And we're going to make that wire, I don't know, yeah, green's fine. And I'm going to change this LED from red to yellow. And I'm going to take and Control Z. I'm going to grab another LED over. I'm going to make that LED, actually make him yellow. I'm going to make this one green, just so that things are the same order. I'm going to change this wire to a green wire. And I'm going to add another resistor to the short side here. And I'm going to add a wire from this pin down to the pin 13. And I'm going to make that wire yellow. So now I have a yellow LED and a green LED and a switch that can go in either mode. In our code, we need to do some changes. The first thing we're going to do is we need to change our LED switch from LED switch pin to yledPin, and that is going to be 13. And int gled, int gledPin equal to 9. And I'm going to say switch Y pin is 6. And I'm going to go switch GPin is going to be 2. And then this is going to be Y. And this is going to be sorry about that. And this is going to be switch Y pin. And I'm going to copy the entire chunk of code, paste, and I'll make this G and G. And then in our code, we're going to say if we see the switch Y pin, we're going to say yledPin high. Control Z. Copy. And this is going to be low. And then we're going to grab the entire chunk of code, replace this entire chunk of code with that. But this is going to be GPin. Now these are mutually exclusive, so I could just do if else, but I'm going to do two separate if statements because it makes it a little more clear what I'm doing. So Y is going to be high, G is going to be low. If the G pin is high, then we're going to do low, high. I'm keeping this in the same order just so it's always YG everywhere. So the yellow's on, we set the Y pin high, and the G pin low. Otherwise, we set there. The other option is we can always set low and then set it high in the loop. So basically, if else, if else. In fact, maybe that, well, it doesn't matter. 6.5 does another. So now if I do this, the yellow light is on. If I click the switch, the green's on and the yellow's off. If I click again, it's now the yellow's on and the green's off. And that's two separate inputs. And I could do this with a single toggle switch the other way, but this is a different layout.